Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by capturing or selecting a clean voice file. That gives the robot effect a stable foundation. Once done, remove background noise and breaths so the processing hears only the voice. Make sure levels are consistent. Normalize to around -6 dB to retain headroom. Export as WAV or other lossless format at 2448 kHz. Why? Because compressed or noisy audio makes artifacts louder when you apply heavy modulation and pitch shifts. Next, sculpt the robotic character. Apply tight pitch correction to lock pitch and create that synthetic monotone. Then shift formants down slightly to thicken the timbre. This preserves naturalness while sounding mechanical. Once you have a bass, add ring modulation or a subtle frequency shifter around 400–1200 Hz for metallic edge. Use parallel processing. Blend about 30% dry with 70% processed so you retain intelligibility. Make adjustments while listening through headphones and reference speakers. Finally, refine and deliver. Use parametric EQ to boost 25 kHz for consonants and low cut below 120 Hz to remove rumble. Once levels sit well, time align the vocal to the video frames and automate mouth-friendly timing if you adjusted pitch or stretched audio. If music competes, sidechain or duck it during key phrases so speech reads clearly. Export stems, dry, processed, and a final mix so you can revise later. If you hear distortion, reduce modulation depth or add a soft limiter to tame peaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.